Hey guys, Lance here. Today I'm going to teach you my favorite Indian inspired dish. They're like little chicken nibbles and spicy with a little bit of char and lots of flavors going on, but trust me, you're going to love them. When you start eating them, you're just like, and you can't stop. So let me show you how.
I love to find any excuse to get my spice container out. The vibrant colours, the amazing smell, all brings my senses together. And grinding spices in a pestle and mortar is such a relaxing thing to do. Now add to your large bowl 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, then go in with all your chicken. Here I'm using chicken nibbles, but you could easily use chicken thighs or even chicken drumsticks instead. Now add all the spice mix to the chicken, fold it through with your hands, add the zest of a whole lemon, and then squeeze juice of a whole lemon, making sure you don't get the pips in there. Add a whole tin of coconut cream. Greek yogurt also would work well too. Now mix it together with your hands, really get in there and give it a really good mix around. Now cover with cling film. You want to rest it for about an hour, if not overnight in the refrigerator will be even better. Bring a non-stick frying pan to the mid-heat, go in with lots of olive oil. Start adding the chicken one by one, that way there we get a nice even layer without crowding the pan. Now the trick of these chicken nibbles, the way of getting extra flavour is the way we're going to cook it, and it's kind of like a 3-step process. First, of course, we're going to fry on both sides, we're going to bake it in the oven, and then finish at the end just for extra char under the grill. Here you just want to turn it once. Then we're going to pop it on a tray on a single layer. We're going to base the reserve marinade, pop it in the oven at 180 degrees and for the internal temperature to hit 75 degrees. Otherwise it should probably take about 15 minutes. This is a real fun bit. This is where we put it under the grill to get the char, those extra smoky, beautiful little bits that I'm sure we all love. Now you could either use a grill or you can even use a blowtorch. Make sure before you serve it to taste one. Check if there's any more salt, does it need more pepper, perhaps a squeeze of lemon. All these things combined together will make it absolutely delicious. Finish it with coconut cream or yogurt with one of your favourite sides, whether it be rice, naan, or even just by itself, and a great go-to recipe to share with your family and friends. Thanks for coming along guys, and we'll catch you next time. Ciao!